to another Simply Answers video. Today we're going to take a look at the beta for iWork in the cloud. So for a lot of you out there that like to use Pages, Keynote, Numbers, this is very promising. And this is also could be an alternative to something like Google Docs or Open Office or anything like that, to where it's all web-based, so you can access it from any computer at any time. So we're just going to take a look at it again. I just want to clarify this is in beta, so everything we're looking at today could change by the time it's actually released. But the cool thing is, if you have an iCloud membership, which is free, you'll get access to Pages, Keynote, Numbers. At least that's the way it looks right now. We'll see what happens by the time final release happens. So as you see right here, I'm at iCloud.com. I have access to my mail, my contacts, calendar, all the stuff I usually see here. But now I have Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. So if I just go into Pages, we'll just go ahead and give that a click. And it loads up here, and it's not a very confusing interface. It's actually pretty straightforward. Here's all the documents that I have been working on and what's been going on, and everything that's on the cloud. So if I'm on an iPad or a Mac or an iPhone, whatever I work on will come to here. You see, this is actually breaking things down for me. Learn more about Pages, get help. If you want to upload a Pages or Microsoft Office document, all you have to do is just drag them from your desktop into here. So if I had something within this file, all I'd have to do is go like this, and then that's how it would upload, just like that. So a very easy way to upload, not very complicated at all. And as you see here, changes automatically appear in Pages on Mac, iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. So that's the whole iCloud aspect of things. So if you want to create a new document, all you do is just click on the plus button. Here's all your templates, templates that many of us become familiar with over time just using this program. If I want to do a blank document, I just go ahead and double click on that, or you can click choose. And it opens up kind of the secondary window here. And then it's a little bit scaled back compared to what we're used to on Pages for Mac. This is actually pretty similar to like Pages for iPad. But right here you have your Helvetica, your fonts, sizes, types, alignments, stuff like that. So this is actually pretty close to the Mac version. Right here, if you want a text box, you can just click in text box, and all of a sudden there it is. And the cool thing is, this is all done within a browser. So this is not an actual program. It's all done within an internet browser, basically. So here's my text box. I can type whatever I want to into there. I can add a shape if I want to add a shape, and here's a handful of options. Let's do like a circle. I'll move that over here. Wherever I might want it, add some color to it, have a fill, border, stuff like that. So very cool. So while you're on the go, so if you're at a friend's house and you can log onto their PC, you just go to iCloud.com and you can start working on a document right there, and it'll save directly to your cloud. Here's your guide, so you can have stuff like that. Very simple. Here's again your share button. You can share via Pages, PDF, or Word. So again, the cross-compatibility thing comes up. This pretty much solves that issue. So if we want to add an image to Pages, obviously you can come up here to where it says image, click on that. You can choose an image, and that will open up an uploader file, basically, window to where you can upload directly from somewhere on your computer. Or if you see something online, something like here, we're right here on apple.com. If I want to add something from Apple, let's say this Mavericks image, it's not going to let me drag and drop directly into the next document here that I'm working on, but I can actually drag and drop this to my desktop. And then from my desktop, I can go directly into Pages, just like what we're used to on a Mac. So it's not as direct, but it's pretty close, pretty straightforward. And it works pretty well. And again, I can do all kinds of different things with it. Add a border, picture frame, do something like that. So overall, Pages is a very nice program. Especially looks like it's going to work very well in the cloud. So pretty impressive so far. And right here, obviously, I can give feedback of what's going on. So we'll go ahead and close that one down. And as you see, as it's working on it, it was uploading right here to Pages for iCloud. And then I can go back to my main screen here, and then I can start working in Numbers if I want to start working on a spreadsheet. Again, same similar layout. If I want to create a new Numbers document, here's a whole bunch of templates I can work with. I'll go into Keynote if I want to do a presentation. Again, same thing, new Keynote presentation, just all right here. So iWork in the cloud is looking very promising. Again, it's in beta stage. So we'll see kind of where it goes from now until we see the final product come probably this fall. So it's exciting. We'll see if there's a cost affiliated with any kind of this stuff, or if you just have to have a free iCloud account. We'll see kind of how that works. So if it not, then you've got a really great word processing suite built right into your browser, accessible from any computer, anywhere. So thanks for joining us. Hope you join us again next time. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/simplymac, Twitter, twitter.com/simplymacstore, Pinterest, pinterest.com/simplymac, and of course simplymac.com. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.